Today we're here to dedicate this ginkgo tree. It has been brought to us by One Sunny Day initiative based in Ashley. It is one of 30 or so across the state, planted in parks and at schools to promote peace, reconciliation, and non-proliferation of nuclear arms. These trees were grown from seeds that survived the bombing in Hiroshima and commemorates the 75th anniversary of the event. This tree symbolizes our colleges and our communities' long history of friendship and trade with people from around the world.
We've always found here that having international students enrich the classroom experience and just the whole experience for our students who live here and may not have traveled outside of Coos County or outside of Oregon. So there's a rich history here with international travel, and I believe it will continue. And I just want to thank the foundation for being open to using some of their funds to support international travel, the experiences that students want to do, and pilot this scholarship program. So thank you, Carolyn, and convey that to the foundation. It's pretty exciting to have a tree planted here that to me symbolizes hope. People going to college are hopeful. We are hopeful for their futures, and this tree is a symbol of that hope.
The founder of One Sunny Day Initiatives, Hideko Tamura Snider, was a 10-year-old child when that atomic bomb hit Hiroshima, and she had been evacuated to the hills as all the younger children had been, but she had a toothache and she was homesick, so she begged her mother to come and get her, and she did. She arrived on August 5th, and the next morning was a sunny day. It was beautiful, and then the bomb dropped. Welcome everyone to this historic occasion. I'm Hideko Tamura Snider, founder of One Sunny Day Initiatives, a nonprofit in Southern Oregon. Having survived the Hiroshima bombing, I have dedicated my life to the promotion of peace. One of the projects that has been closest to my heart is working with Green Legacy Hiroshima in Japan. They gifted our organization with precious ginkgo, persimmon, and camphor seeds from trees which miraculously survived the atomic bombing in 1945. We are filled with joy by your interest and support for this Hiroshima peace tree to be with you and in your community. We are with you in spirit today as you dedicate this tree, and always treasuring affirmation of life and peace in the world. We pray this gift from Hiroshima brings you a message of hope for enduring peace, having revived from the ashes. Let us move on with a renewed respect for life and the living. Nurture your dreams and your love. May they grow in your heart as this precious tree grows in your community. Hideko Tamura Snider. Thank you.